no. Because this is my last time having my microphone in my phone. I'm not hurt, bro. A1 combo. Bro, this my A1 combo. Let me real quick. I got my normal skin on, but I got the other face. My other face don't work. I have to now go here. I don't want to go all the way. No. I hate this game, bro. Most hated army. No, guys, is I fall again? I'm not recording, and I'm posting this on live, bro. Okay, is that what I play? Nuh-uh. Let me try again, bro. Let me start here to there by the taller. What? Wait, what? That is not real cash. That is just a man what wants to be like cash, bro. Can you explain? Anybody wants to be in your name in your avatar, bro. You know what? I'm skipping. Here we go. I'm not doing this anymore. Is that? Easy. There's more tallers. No, that's not tallers. Let's get some real tallers real quick, bro. New tallers? Okay. Tolling. Wait. What does this say? Subscribe to A1 or else I will kill you. That's right, bro. If you don't subscribe to me, I will go to your country. You hear me? Okay. And then kill you. Subscribe right now. I can teleport. I think no. Another Trolla! Trollaka City, Popo! I'm coming back for you. I'm coming back for you. Let's see if you can handle this. One! Now you think of it, Trolla? Get smashed, bro. Get smashed. Now another one to smash. Whoa. Guys, I don't talk English. I live actually in South Africa, where everybody talks Afrikaans. Well, I'm literally. Okay, one last fall and then I don't record anymore. Okay,